Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. It's been long time I have not uploaded any videos. It's all because of COVID. I was tested positive and I have gone through very tough situations of my life. So I request you to stay home, stay safe, try to avoid public gatherings, step out of your house only if it is required. Okay, I wish you a very healthy life. Now it's a time for a wonderful strategy, and I call this strategy as a melting ice cream strategy. I was doing it manually from long time, and I got very good results. Hence, I have converted this strategy into an algo. And stay tuned till end of the video. I will be sharing you the strategy. I will be sharing you the back tested results, and also I will be sharing you the algo futures. Okay. Before that, psychology part. Do paper trade for 3 months minimum, so that the strategy has to go through all the phases like continuous losses, continuous profits, minimum losses, minimum profits, all those things you have to see. Once you see all such situations, you will be confident on this strategy. Once you have this confidence on the strategy, definitely the consistency is in its way. Definitely nobody can stop you from becoming a consistent successful trader. Okay, so next one is the risk or money management part. So there are these are very important qualities of a successful trader. Okay, along with consistency, you should also have these qualities: risk and money management. Without this, you cannot be a successful trader. What comes under this risk and money management? You should have proper entry and exit conditions. You should have proper stop loss target well defined in your strategy, and you should be able to manage your drawdowns. You should not overtrade. You should have proper position sizing. Lot of things will comes under this risk and money management. So before you just google or see any watch any YouTube videos on this risk and money management, definitely you will be getting lots of information. So coming to the strategy part, at 9:45 a.m. in the morning, take a straddle or strangle position at ATM or OTM strike price with almost same premium. Max to max difference is 15 to 20% between these premiums. So what we have to do is at 9:45 sell, call and put at the ATM strike price such that the premium difference should not be more than 15 to 20%. So stop loss will be the 200 rupees for both the legs, including call and put per lot. Okay, per lot means call and put together is called one lot. Target will be 2000 rupees for both the legs on the non-expiry day, and 6000 rupees on the expiry day with a trailing stop loss of 500 rupees. So this is what is I'm doing. I'm doing it with algo. I'll explain you the algo futures as well. Coming to algo, this is just I'm opening the algo. Yeah, this is the window how it looks when you start an algo. I have already entered my login credentials, so it is not asking me for the login credentials. Since if you are a new user, just click on this login. You will get a login option here. You just click on that login. You will be asked. You will require to enter your client ID, password, API key, secret, all those things. Okay. So once you are into this window, click on add symbols. It has already loaded the default. I'll just delete that. Okay, click on this add symbol. You can select Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever you want. You can enter the timing, entry time, exit time, number of lots, and you can set this max premium difference to any value, 20 or 15, whatever. All these are configurable parameters. So 15% difference between call and put is very good percent, so I give 15%. Stop loss, few people want to maintain it at 40, 50, whatever you want you can maintain. Since I don't want to maintain stop loss for individual legs, I keep a big number called 200%, so that it will never reach. Before that my max loss will be hit. Okay, this is one feature, and another feature is lock profit threshold. This is something called like trailing stop loss or super trend. Here what we do is, take for example, when the MTM reaches 3000 rupees, our profit will get locked at 2000 rupees, and even if MTM comes down, our algo will square off both the positions at 2000 rupees. Consider, instead of coming down after 3000, it's keep on increasing. For every 300 trailing MTM, we have kept it 300. You can keep 500 as well, not a problem. For every 500 rupees increase in the threshold, our log profit will get increased by 500 rupees. So this is how it will our log profit will get increased step by step with respect to trailing MTM. Okay, whenever it sees a max MTM, whenever it reaches 5000, it will, our call and put leg will be squared off. Similarly, when the MTM reaches minus 2000 rupees, it will get squared off. So you save this. Once you save this, you will get symbol saved successfully. In the background you can also see there is one leg, 5000 rupees, 2000 rupees. So, and the parameters also you can see here, all the parameters whatever you have set. This is the parameters which you, if you click on this start, okay, these parameters it will take for the execution. If you want to run this same parameters from tomorrow onwards, you don't want to do this activity again and again, you just save this as default. Okay, just save it as default, so that from tomorrow onwards it will take the same configurations every day. You just have to click on this start, that's it. And there is one more feature called place order flag. If you check this, it will place orders in your Zerodha account. If you uncheck this, it will do a paper trade. That's how I am doing the paper trade for multiple time frames. And I'm checking with different parameters. Okay, how best I can increase the efficiency of this strategy. Okay, this is how you can do it with single algo. Just click on this start. That's it. So yeah, it started. This is today is a weekend, so it's taking some dummy values. And yeah, you can see here in the option legs what are the prices it has taken. Order book also you can see what orders it has taken. All this you can see. Positions also you can see. Everything whatever is there in Zerodha will be visible here. Okay, so coming to the backtested file, I'm doing it manually. I don't have that data, but from 28th June I started using this algo, and till today I'm using it. Yeah, till 20th July. You can see the PNL is around 13,000. From 28th June, it is around 13,000 rupees. Okay, per lot. This is all. This is per lot. You can see here the lots quantity. You can see it is all. Okay. If you need this Excel, do contact me on my mobile number or email ID. I will give you my contact details. Okay. This is one thing, and you don't have to maintain ledger. In this strategy, automatically the ledger will get updated here in this path every day. You don't have to okay, you don't have to maintain this ledger. Algo Kamadhenu PNL. In this PNL reports every day your ledger will be automatically updated. You don't have to keep an Excel track of it. Okay, next one. It is best suited for working professionals, like those who don't have time for they can use this algo. They can also do it manually, this strategy, not an issue. And full-time traders also can use this algo futures. Paper trade with multiple time frames, yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing testing with multiple time frames, multiple settings I'm doing. So to improve the efficiency of this strategy, I will let you know if there are any improvements in this strategy. Okay, even if you have zero trading knowledge, you can start with the algo trading. That is what best part of this algos. Okay, contact me for any backtested Excel, yourtradingfriend@gmail.com, or you can also WhatsApp me, Telegram me at 9591422765. I'll be sharing you the details of the strategy or details of the algo. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel for more backtested strategies. Also, if you need any information, help in the stock market, definitely contact me. Also, do subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more and more videos. Thank you.